Welcome to St. Joseph's Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Palai, where tradition meets innovation and passion becomes profession. Step into our vibrant learning spaces, from our front office lab that simulates real-world hospitality experiences to our fully equipped basic, quantity, and advanced training kitchens where culinary creativity is honed to perfection. Our bakery and confectionery unit brings sweet ideas to life, while our advanced multipurpose training kitchen pushes the boundaries of skill and imagination. In our basic and advanced training restaurants, students gain hands-on experience in real-time service and guest interaction. Our housekeeping lab replicates star-class hotel settings, instilling professionalism and precision. Supporting academic excellence is our well-stocked library, along with modern computer and language labs designed to sharpen both technical and communication skills. Complementing the learning environment is our student-friendly cafeteria, a space to relax, connect, and recharge. The campus also features a well-equipped gym, promoting fitness, wellness, and a balanced lifestyle. Beyond the classroom, our students actively participate in a wide array of enriching experiences conducted within the college, including vibrant food festivals, hands-on workshops, culinary competitions, and prestigious national and international conferences. From theme lunches to spectacular cultural celebrations, every event nurtures creativity, confidence, and leadership. With dedicated training and strong industry ties, our graduates are placed in top hospitality brands, both in India and abroad. Discover your potential. Shape your future. Join St. Joseph's Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Palai, where every passion finds its purpose. Admissions open. Visit our website or call us to know more.